Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the replaceable battery for a Ryobi 18 volt system from the company KUNLUN Power. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So we've got an instruction manual. The box shouldn't be too much to it. They sell a lot of different products. This is my Ryobi 18 volt battery. It no longer takes a charger. It no longer takes a charge. I saw this company out there and thought I would give them a try. Ryobi charges so much for the replacement batteries. Let's hope this one works. The charger is pretty cool here. Got a power outlet. It's different than my Ryobi one because you've got USB power ports, so I'm not real sure what those are for. I'm planning on just simply plugging this in, putting the batteries in, and charging them. Let's take a look at the batteries, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them charged up, and we're going to go try them in my Ryobi products and see how they work. So here's the battery. Just like my Ryobi has a battery indicator. These have a battery indicator as well. Size-wise, they look to be about the same, which makes sense being that they're going in the same items. So not a whole lot to show you there. Let me just show you the second one so you see that they're identical. We'll do a test for the second one as well. Looks like it's 3/4 full. You've got the side release buttons for putting it in and out of your device. So let's go ahead and see how they work in our devices. All right, so I've got a few Ryobi products I thought we could use to test the batteries. I was going to mention batteries go in nice and tight. They're a little bit harder to get out than my regular Ryobi batteries, at least out of my drill. You'll notice how tight that was. So I'm not sure if that's my drill or the battery, but other items like my flashlight comes out much easier. But they work great if you're looking for some replacement batteries for your Ryobi products, at least your 18 volt ones. This one works great.